G'day guys, welcome back to the Rush Truck Trophy Truck Build Part 19. Today we're going to put the front arms assembly in, and this is cool, the front end, because everything in this front just fits absolutely spot on. So once we put the front arms together on this side, we'll go over to the side that I've finished, and then you can see the wheels cycling through the travel. So you put the bottom arm in first, which gets made in your flat pack. That all comes TIG welded. And these fit in absolutely beautiful. So a little punch like this is tapered off, and that just helps you locate the holes there a bit easier. And once you've got that located, you can place your bolts in like that. And then at the back, just give a bit of a tap. Oops. And we'll locate this bolt here. Now they're all 3/4 bolts, and they've got this never seize on it. And the never seize is great when you put it all together. Alright, so put that one in there. So now you got your bolts here. You do have to hit them all the way through, but I'm just going to put them there so you can see what's going on. Once we've got the bottom arm in there, we're going to put the top arm in. Now with your measurements, with your heims, when you get this truck, I'm going to give you the measurements where to screw these heims into, because they're all the same. These arms are built in a jig, so every arm for the Rush truck is exactly the same. So I'm going to give you that measurement when we go to put it in. So put the bolts in there. That's it. That's it. Now on the last truck, we didn't have these arms, these little plates welded in. Again, I'm going to give you the measurement from the face of the bulkhead out to this place there, that little point there, and that's going to give you the right offset for your arms to set up your caster and camber absolutely spot on. So again, the measurements come with your flat pack. Now, on the bottom arm, we've got our high miss spacers. Again, put some never seize, whatever never seize you want to use, it doesn't matter, it's all the same. Just a personal preference on what people want to use. They slide in there. Now the spindle, that comes made, it's all TIG welded. And this will fit pretty nice there. Now again, that 3/4 bolt that you've got tapered off, that's really good to get up in there to locate it. Now, top arm, like that. Look at that for a bolt. Big kingpin, high tensile, 3/4 inch, massive. Nice and strong. That's going to slide down through there. Keep that bottom pin in to locate it so you don't burr your thread. All the way through, and then we've got a nylock nut that goes down on the bottom of the upright there. All right, so once you've got that in place, then it's your steering arms. Now your steering arms, again, if you haven't ordered them with your pack and you want to make them yourselves, we give you the measurement, which is what you cut the actual chrome molly and the little step on the thing. So we give you a couple measurements from what molly to cut, or from the centre of the eye to the centre of the eye, and that will locate your trailer, your steering arm. Weld a little hole, just put your little bung in there and you weld that up, and then you can weld right around there, which is that one there. That's how it is. So we still got a TIG weld around there. Now when you've got your steering arms, your steering heims, we put this one in because they're a nice solid fit. You've got high miss spacers in there. That's your 5/8 bolt. We've just ground that off, and you can just pop it in there, and you'll hit him in just to locate him in central there. Just tap him in. It's a beautiful fit like that. Now just hook up these steering arms. Once you get the angle right, because there's left and right hand thread. There we go. Thread him in. I'm just going to put this one together loosely, but the other side we've got welded up. At least here you can see how it all goes together. Now inside here with the steering arm, the steering box, we got a little spacer just in behind the two heims, and that space is a bit of a 3mm plate. Again, you can make it yourself, or if you order the kit, we can supply you with that little plate there. It's just to give the right spacings for the steering arm, and that will slide in there. Like so, and you can do him up. I'll keep him loose, but so you do them up really tight. Then there's another little plate that we have, and that goes over the top, and it locates all three ends. Once you've done it up to 100 pound with a torque wrench, then you put your little plate over there, and that will lock that in. Now, just to double check everything, is having this digital little meter here to read your angles. I'm going to give you a full sheet on where to take measurements. So, for instance, we take a measurement off the arm, then we set the height of the arm, and then we're going to work out the caster and camber. So I'm going to give you the angle for the caster. I'm going to give you the angle for the camber. And once you've got that set properly, that then will give you 0 on your toe. So you want 0 toe for both sides. So you get that. And again, take it off your instructions, because on your instructions you'll have all the measurements. And then this side, this is the finished. So it's all bolted together, and it's beautiful. This front end, when it works, it's got adjustable caster and camber. So when you're cycling throughout little stutters, you don't get any feedback through the steering wheel. You get 0 bump steer, and that's what makes this truck so good through that rough stuff. So this here, to give you a bit of an idea, you've got 24 inches of usable wheel travel. So that means on full bottom out, the chassis is not going to hit the ground, with 35s, 37s or 39-inch tyres. And that's your full cycle there of 24 inches, and it just works beautiful. And then you've got your shocks. So next video, we're going to have our coilover shock. We're going to have our 5-tube bypass 3.5 sitting in there. And then we'll talk about spring rates and valves and everything else once we go on and up on tyres. So to find out more, it's www.rushtruck.com.au. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.